Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're at Daytona Speedway. We'll do a tour. Bring that to you. This is Mr. and Mrs. France, the builders of the Daytona racetrack. Veronica is there. She's getting some tickets. We'll let you know what's the cost of this. I think it's like $25. So here's the tickets, guys. It's $25 for the tour. There are some other tours that you could do for like $55, and then there's the $800 session where you drive with an actual race car driver, and you actually drive the car.
You want a tour?
Yeah!
Daytona International Speedway. Construction began at this speedway back in November of 1957 and was completed a short 15 months later in time for the first Daytona 500, which was held on February 22nd, 1959. In attendance at that first Daytona 500 were just over 41,000 fans. Take a look over here on the passenger side of the track. You'll see the original tunnels that were built in that construction back in 1958. Take note of the clearance of those tunnels, 7 feet 6 inches. Now there is a reason for that. Back when they built this racetrack and those tunnels, most of those drivers drove their own cars right out onto the race, the Daytona 500. The year before that, the road course race, where it made its debut here at our track, was held in August. The reason for the change. That race serves as the final race of the regular season for the Cup Series before those playoffs begin. In November, now those are go-karts, but I don't like to call them go-right. We're going to find out right now with all the enthusiasm you can muster. I want everybody to shout out my name.
Hi, this is three-time Daytona 500 champion Jeff Gordon. I'm pleased to welcome all of you to Daytona International Speedway. Nearly 60 years ago, a small-town auto mechanic named Bill France Sr. dreamed of creating a racetrack that was bigger, faster, and more exciting than any before it. In the ensuing decades, his belief in big dreams transformed Daytona International Speedway into the world's center of racing.
Those carts. Next, you'll see the Rolex cars. After that, you'll see Indy rookie Jimmy Johnson. Then you'll see motorcycles. You will also see trucks, and of course, you'll see the cars of NASCAR. Now, when Bill France wanted to build a racetrack, he had 3 main criteria in mind. First, he wanted to have the largest track. Second, he wanted to have the fastest track. And third, he wanted to have a perfect oval. Well, he did end up with one of the largest tracks, with our super speedway being 2.5 miles around. He also ended up with the fastest track. Now, to have the fastest track back in the late 50s when this was built, all you needed to do was have some kind of banking. And our banking tops off at 30. Now, if you take a look over on the passenger side, you'll be looking at but it is not flat. It's actually banked at 3 degrees. No part of our track is flat. It's banked all the way around for rain runoff. Take a look at this lake over here on the passenger side about why you think we would have a lake, especially one that size, in the middle of our racetrack. We're completing that seating area in January of 2016. That seating area is 0.8 of a mile long. Seating capacity is 101,500, but on race day with our seats, our standing room areas, and our suites, we can accommodate on that side of the track alone just under 150,000 fans. Now take a look all the way up to the top of those seating areas. That is 15 stories straight up. But the first thing that probably jumped out at you when you looked over there are the multicolored seat sections. This is done on purpose. It's an old television trick. When the television cameras pan across the crowd, it makes it appear that those seats are filled. Here we're in right now, we call the Blue Garages. They're called the Blue Garages, except when NASCAR's in town. At that point, they are the Xfinity Series garages. Xfinity is the series right before the NASCAR Cup Series. Now,
and starting at the bottom left, where all those shades are pulled down, is our press box.
we are going to talk about some of them between now and the end of the tour. And while you're checking these out, we'll tell you that my favorite driver of all time is on the wall down here. He's an old-time driver, but I'm an old guy. He won the 1967 Daytona 500, but he was known for racing in many different circuits around the world. His name is Mario Andretti, and the reason he's my favorite driver is because I'm from his hometown of Nazareth, Pennsylvania. Well, we're going to talk about the very last picture on the wall up here. This is very important. Everybody check this last picture out. It shows you the finish of the very first Daytona 500 in 1959. Look how close that is. Now, when you look at Daytona International Speedway sign, it serves as a backdrop for those pictures. That sign is 355 feet long, and the letters in Daytona, 13.5 feet tall. Next, we're going to be going through this solar pavilion.
Alright guys, we're up in the stands for the tour. So these are the gates you're gonna go through. This is how it looks.
All right. So that's what they start selling you. But what I want you to do is as you walk out here, look to the left, look to the right, see how much of the track you can see as you get closer.
This is how it is, guys. So this is a standing area. Here it is, guys. Michael McDowell, 2021 Daytona 500 champ.
This is the car. They have it sitting in the museum. They said that in the contract, they signed that when you win it, you have to let it sit here for a year.
gift shop. You guys can get whatever you want here. We were here 2 years ago, 2019, and we got some souvenirs. No need to pick up now. Hey guys, this brings us the end of our Daytona Speedway tour. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Remember, subscribing notifies you when we upload new vlogs.
If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and share our channel with your friends and family. Thank you guys for supporting our channel. Bye!
Alright guys, we're gonna go test the I-95 out and see how fast we can make it back to Palm Bay. I think I could do like 120. Alright? See you guys.
Double yellow line at the bottom of the track. At the top of the wall is 40. How many ever race? How many cars come through here 3 wide?